Hey guys, happy new year. So I know I haven't posted in about, I think it's about 2 or 3 months now. It's a very long story, y'all, but the first month of me being gone was genuinely just, I was like taking a break from social media at that point. But then the new year came around and TikTok almost got deleted permanently in the US. So I clocked out completely from social media. I was like, this is too much. I don't know what's going on. They kept confirming things and denying things and saying, yeah, we're gonna do it, then no. But I'm posting again. So I think that's the most important thing. In today's video, I want to do a makeup look that is inspired by these products. This brand 𝘠𝘬 kindly sent me 2 different lippies, and I wanted to do 2 different looks based off of each color that I received. I got the 𝘠𝘬 pudding pot in the shade Baddie. So cute. It's like a little plummy color. And then I got the 𝘠𝘬 glowing jelly pot in the shade Mellow Mango. It came with this little key ring, and you can actually put a portion of your lip shade into here. You can put a little bit of that in there and then keep it in maybe your purse or your pocket to keep a little portion with you. It looks like this. I haven't taken the plastic off just yet, but look how cute this shade is. How cute is that? The outside matches my hair. Isn't that cute? In this video, I wanted to do a makeup look based off of this jelly pot. It's been so long since I filmed a video, so I have so many things that I can talk about, but I think I'll save that for like a get ready with me video. Enough of that talking. Let's get started with the makeup. I'm gonna do my brows and my base off camera. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Hey guys, so I just finished up with my base. Anyways, let's get on with the eyeshadow for this makeup look. I'm gonna use this Little Twin Stars X Wet n Wild palette, and I'm gonna use the pink shades in there to make like a little base color for my eyeshadow. It's not pink, it's like these beigey colors. Now I'm going to use this Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use this super cute light pink shade in here. Now I'm going to use the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. I take it back. I'm going into this Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette, and I'm going to take probably a good mix of this shade and this shade, and I'm going to deepen the shades on my lid. Now I'm going to put on a little bit of this coral liner, and then in the future I'll try to make it look a little bit more red, so just stay tuned. It's Juvia's Place liner. I low-key hate when I do this stuff because it gets on my lashes and it makes my lashes look weird. Now I'm going to take a deeper red color, and I'm going to kind of make this look red and also just overall smooth this out and blend it together and stuff. Okay guys, so this looks a bit of a hot mess and I'm a little mad. So I'm going to clean this up by putting a bunch of light pinks on top, and I will see you guys once I finish up with that. Now I'm going to take this Dasique palette, and I'm going to take one of the glitter shades out of here, and I'm going to put that shade like on my eyelid and maybe a tiny bit in the inner corner and maybe even over here a little bit. I got this from Yesstyle, and I actually have a code from Yesstyle that you guys can use to save like I think it's like 3 or 5% on your next Yesstyle order. And I'll also have this product linked down below in the description. If you guys shop there, use my code please. I totally forgot to show you guys the process of these stars, but I did them and they look pretty cute. Now I'm going to put on some blush. I want to put on these 2 shades, and I want to put it mainly right in this area. For mascara, I want to use this heroine mascara. It's pink. I'm going to put this on, and I also got this from Yesstyle, so I'll link this down in the description, and I'm going to put this only on my lower lid. so now I'm gonna do the other off camera. I'm gonna put on some normal mascara and I'm gonna put on my lashes, and I'll be back with you guys probably after I apply my gems. Go to my TikTok if you guys want to see that process of me applying my gems, but I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll come back to apply some highlighter and a lippy with you guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna quickly do some highlighter. I'm gonna use this Dior Backstage Glow Face palette, and I'm gonna use the pink shade. Guys, look how pretty that is. Just a tiny bit of this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade 𝐿𝑀. Okay, and now I'm gonna do my lippy. First, I'm gonna take a little bit of a lip liner. This is the MAC lip liner in the shade Cork. I'm gonna lightly outline my lips, just a tiny bit. And now we're gonna go in with our 𝘠𝘬 Jelly Pot in the shade Mellow Mango. I'm so excited, guys. So for this portion, I'm gonna be kind of quiet because I need to be filming a lot on my phone. Guys, here's how the shade looks. It looks so cute. Look at that. Do y'all see that color? I already had high expectations of this product because it already looked amazing on like everybody else that wore it, but this color is so pretty, you guys. If you guys are ever thinking about buying one of these, I recommend it. This will definitely be something that I'm gonna use on and off camera, y'all. This is awesome, and it's so glossy. Do y'all see it? That's crazy. I also put a tiny bit on my cheek. It's really popular amongst K-pop idols to have like glossy looking cheeks, so I tried it out and it looks really good too. But yeah, with that, this makeup look is finished, you guys. I really hope that all of you guys enjoyed watching it. The next look that I'll be posting will be based off of this pudding pot in the shade Baddie. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Follow me on all my different social medias. They are all linked down below. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video.